Comprenez pas. Ah! Ouh. Woo! Oh la la. A new destination is calling! Hi experiencers, this is SB Travel. I'm an experience curator and welcome to my new series of episodes where we are discovering together Singapore, famous places and unknown places. Today is episode 2 and we are discovering together the Clementi Forest. This is one of the faraway entrances of the forest. We are going to start from here and go join the railway corridor and then go in the forest, discover the different spots and activity we can do in the Clementi Forest. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go together and find out. This is the first stop of the park, the Bukit Timah Singapura woodland, and just behind me you have the famous old station. It is a very great spot if you want to take some pictures. So this is a really ancient rail station. So those are very old. You can take picture, you can just walk around. There's nothing much to do, but it's a great spot to explore. How cute this is! So I guess this is how people were traveling back in the days. It's very cute, but it doesn't fit that much people. I think maybe 6 or 7 max. It is Singapore, so obviously it's gonna rain at least once in a day. So we are stuck. This is still the first spot, but we are stuck because it's raining. So yeah, if you're doing this kind of trek, balade, promenade, be sure that you have an umbrella or cover protection because you're gonna be stuck just like me. You see this spot just right behind me? That is where we are heading to. It's really beautiful. You have a lot of plants. It's so green. It's beautiful, wonderful. Let's go. In the middle of the forest. I think it's been more than half an hour that we're walking. The thing is it rained this morning, so it is really muddy and all of that. So the trek is a bit more difficult than it's supposed to be. Look, all mud. Anyway, we should reach soon the end of this. I hope. We almost got lost, but thankfully some people they put some toilet paper and some pink rubber so we could find our way. But apart from that, otherwise we would have been lost, for sure.
Non, ça m'a l'air vraiment solide.
Ah. Oh là là. Another spot of this ballade at the Clementi Road, it's right under the Clementi Road bus stop, is this tunnel that we're about to see. So this is the tunnel. It's really just not even 1 minute down the bus stop, and you can just have this nice view, and at the end of the tunnel, this light It is just, a nice spot to make some picture. Nothing to do here, but I think it's just a very nice spot to make a great picture if you are a picture lover for your Instagram or whatever else. We are now at the third spot of the day. This is Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. I cannot wait to see how amazing it's going to be inside. Let's go. This is the Bukit Timah. It's a kind of a museum where they are showing everything, the kind of animals and species that they have here. I can see on this board that they have a lot of birds, reptiles, amphibians, mammals as well, dragonflies, butterfly my favorite, native freshwater fishes and vascular plants, how the reserve is evolving. So it's just a nice point before starting the walk that you can just, come here, have some knowledge, gather some information. So very nice, very well done. Okay guys, we are going to the summit of the Bukit Timah Reserve, and this is very, very straight, so I need some energy, and for that please put a comment down this video. I need some energy to go all the way there to the summit just to show you. Let's go! Let's go guys, come on, come on. Woo! Psh! We made it to the Bukit Timah summit, 163 meters, which is nothing, but it was still very difficult and I'm sweaty and I'm tired, but I made it. There's no view guys, so in case you're wondering if this is worth it, not so much. But you can do it for fun. To end this beautiful day, we have this beautiful sunset from the railroad that we were at the beginning. Whew, it was a very sportive day, but it's totally worth it. Singapore nature is amazing. I'll see you next week, guys, for the next episode. Explore Singapore. Bye, Experiencer.